Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to prevent notifications for groups on the Telegram app for PC after the latest update. If you're tired of constant pings and distracting pop-ups from group chats, this quick guide will help you silence them in just a few clicks while keeping your private messages active. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. After it loads, look to the top left corner of your screen. There, you'll see three small horizontal lines. This is the main menu icon. Click on it to open the sidebar menu. Once the menu appears, choose the option called Settings. This section is where you can control almost everything about how Telegram works, including notifications, privacy, chat appearance, and more. Inside the Settings window, click on Notifications and Sounds. This is the part of Telegram that manages all sound alerts and pop-up messages you receive for chats, groups, and channels. It might look a little different depending on your update, but the layout is still easy to follow. Now, under the Notifications and Sounds section, you'll see different categories like private chats, groups, and channels. Find the one labeled Groups. Next to it, there's a switch or checkbox that controls notifications for all group messages. Simply turn it off or uncheck the box to disable notifications for groups completely. Once you do this, Telegram will stop sending alerts when someone messages in a group. You'll still receive the messages silently, and you can check them whenever you want without interruption. Your private chats, on the other hand, will continue to notify you normally, so you won't miss any direct messages from important contacts.